One small negative thought, when played in loop, can become a big problem for us. This audio lecture is about to show you the nature of your powerful mind and how you can stop the negative voice in your head. And a bonus tip to shift from negative to positive energy will be shared at the end of the lecture. Now listen carefully till the end and let the change begin without missing any important point. The first point will reveal the nature of your mind in very simple words. We as humans keep choosing every moment, and whatever we choose becomes the focus of our mind. Now basically, there are two main types of choices, the good or the bad choice. Whenever we choose something that disturbs us becomes the bad choice, and whenever we choose something that improves us or makes us happy, that's the good choice. Similarly, when a negative thought comes to our head and we begin to repeat it for a very long time, thinking about that thought from different angles and getting involved with it, we allow the mind to focus on that thought. This focus becomes the experience, and this is how a bad choice can become a bad experience of our life. The solution is to notice. Notice without fighting or running away from any thought. Just notice that it has come and welcome it. Meaning, you are okay with that negative thought, but you are not giving it much importance. Why? Because your importance goes towards the choices of your heart every moment of your life. And this is what you live for. You decide to walk towards the path of the positive, the path of improvement, the path of consistent growth. And as your focus becomes more positive than negative, your life experience begins to change. You create your own happiness and your own destiny using the power of focus. And the negative voices in your head begin to fade away. When it doesn't get your full attention and feels insulted standing in front of you, it has to fade away. The second important point is to stop the self-blame. If you notice carefully, right now, you will realize that blaming yourself for choosing negative is like keeping the thought of negative alive in your head, which means the importance is still on the negative. On the other hand, when you make a mistake, rather than shouting on yourself, realize that whatever had to happen had happened. So rather than blaming about the worst yesterday, I need to find a solution for a better today and the best tomorrow. So right now, I can bring at least some focus on choosing something better for my life. Anything that makes me happy, any music that I love to listen to, the future business plan or the career option I would love to have, choosing my priorities, taking my life in the direction I want. These are all signs of choosing the good. And once a good choice becomes the focus of your mind, nothing can stop you from experiencing the joy of life without any regrets. And with patience, consistency, and repetition of good choices, you become an expert at it. That's it. 2 simple steps to show you the power of your choice and help you realize and eliminate the negative voices from your head. And now comes the bonus tip which you can note down. Solution for negative plus choosing the positive equals happy, successful life. Now let's say the day of your life is a space you have. It is available to you. Now, you need to fill most of that space with choices of your heart, with choices that you want in your life. Of course, when a negative thought or a challenge arises, you need to look for the solution rather than repeating the negative in your head. Because repetition of negative is not bringing the solution. Ultimately, you have to come up with a solution to come out of the challenge or the problem. And this is the habit that will become the best gift of your life when you realize its importance. The more you consciously choose what you love and what you want, the better you get at choosing your destiny. In short, you can now create your own happiness. And now your task is to go through this video and lecture and understand its importance, understand how your mind works, and how you can bring your focus to something that is really important and useful to your life. And try this out for a few weeks, and then share your honest experience with us in the comments, and we are sure you will have some amount of positive change within a few weeks. And one important thing to all the subscribers of Soulmighty and all the people visiting to this channel, if you want me to cover some important topics which you think is important for discussion or self-improvement, please comment below, and we would love to make content about those topics. That would inspire me to do something better for you. And yes, subscribe for more life-changing audio lectures. Let life shine bright. Thank you.